Welcome back to Crafting with Pui Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a Google image into a SVG file, a vector file in Silhouette Studio. I just went to Google and I copied this image and I pasted it here in Silhouette Studio. We're going to put it here. The first thing you're going to do, you go over here and then you choose the trace panel, and we're going to trace with this one, and then we have a tiny plus here. How far over it is, like select it like so, and then you have this, but this is not what we want. That means you will go to the threshold, keep your threshold on solid, and go here and drag it to the back. You see, we want only the black outline, okay? Only the black outline of the apple. The color we will fill in, but we only want the black outline. Okay, you see now we have covered most of the black outline. Then we're going to choose this one, trace. Okay, and then we will remove this so it traced only for us the black outline. Okay, select it and fill it with the color. We will do white since the background is gray, and then we will right click and release compound, like we'll break it apart. You see, we release compound and now we have all the parts as vector pieces. Okay, you see these tiny things here, we don't need them, so we will select it like so and delete them all. Okay, now we have this part. Let's put it red. It's a vector, so we don't need a lot of pieces. This one is black. Okay, and the leaf is green. If you want to take one of the colors here, you can just come in here, the dropper, and take this one. You see that? Okay, now we have this here. We don't need this tiny piece here. It's a vector, so we will keep it vector as possible. I'll select these two pieces and I'll group them and I'll make it brown. I'll take the dropper again. I keep the white part here selected because I want the color to go in here, and I will come here and choose a brown. You see, I dropped it. Okay, now we have these three pieces. It's up to you if you want to have them, like if you want to have them on the apple. If you don't want to have them, it's also good. Okay, let's say we will have them. We group them, select it and group them together, and then we will change the color. Okay, they are white already, so we will take the stroke out. You see that? So they are just white. It's up to you how you want to do it, if you want to have those shiny part on it or not. Okay, so I will select everything. You see, we don't see small particles inside. It's a very clean file. So if you are cutting SVG, like cutting it all on vinyl or paper, it will be very easy to cut. Okay, well, yeah, it will be easy to cut. Now we have this instead of this. I'm going to delete this, and now we have our file. Let me group them, and then I'll bring it to the center. And I have it here, and then I can save it as a SVG file. You go here. That's what you should have, a business edition. File, save as, save to hard drive, and let's say apple. I have other apples. I'll say apple 2, and then you save it as a SVG. You can also save it as a PNG. You click on save as PNG. Okay, let me show you something. When I go to send and to cut, you see the parts that you can cut. You see it's a vector. You can cut all these parts. Okay, so that's how you turn a Google file into an SVG in Silhouette Studio. Thank you for watching.